Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel QA Junction. In our last video, we have discussed building the test case and executing it by opening the Cypress dashboard, selecting the browser and spec manually, and the execution was done on Cypress test runner. If you don't remember, please watch this video. In this video, you are going to learn to execute the test cases in headless and headed mode using commands. We already wrote our first test case to open youtube.com. Let's execute it in headless mode. Go to terminal and hit the command npx cypress run. npx cypress run. Hit enter. As you can see, it is executing our test case in Electron browser. Our test case got passed. You can see it is showing all specs pass. You can see all the information which is related to your test case. By default, it has executed our test case in Electron. This is the way of executing your test case in headless mode. In order to execute your test case in headed mode, you need to write npx cypress run -headed. Hit enter. Now it will open that Cypress test runner and execute your test case. The execution was very fast that it opened the browser, executed our test case, and it closed the browser. If you want to execute your test case in your desired browser, let's say I want to execute my test case in Chrome. For that, we need to hit the command npx cypress run -browser space Chrome. As you can see, the execution is going on Chrome browser. Execution is done. It is saying all specs passed, and you can see here in the browser info where Chrome browser it is displaying. So in this way you can execute your test case in headless mode in your desired web browser. You can execute your test cases at spec level. So currently I have these two specs. One is flipkart.js and one is openurl.js. So I want to only execute flipkart.js. For that, hit the command npx cypress run -spec and give the path of your spec file. So I already gave. I want to execute flipkart.js. So that's the reason I give. It is under the Cypress integrations and web UI test cases folder. So you need to give like this and your spec file name and hit enter. As you can see, execution is going on. Execution completed and it says all specs pass. In this way, you can also execute your test cases at spec level by using the command npx cypress run -spec and the path of your spec file. Hope you understood this lecture. Thank you.